everyone, it's Kimberly from Kaleidoscope and I am so happy to be here at Nanyuki Township. We're going to be building them a kitchen garden to help improve food security. So come along with us and let's go build a kitchen garden with the kids.
From Africa, representing Nutritious, and today we are here at the Nanyuki Township Secondary School. We were helping them to set up a kitchen garden, which we believe will help increase food security for the students and for the school. Thank you very much to Kaleidoscope for the support, and we hope that the program will continue and will bring great impact to the school.
So we are saying thank you to Kaleidoscope for bringing the spinach and the hummus plus the onions for our farm. We promise we're gonna take care of them and it's gonna bring a good impact to the school. Yeah, thank you.
For this offer you have done onto us, the planting of these kumawikis and spinaches will go a long way in adding value in form of nutrition to our learners' meals. Thank you so much and God bless you.
Yes.
We are done. Thank you so much to the students. We've handed over the project to them. It's now them to take care of it, and we're super thankful. Thank you to all our sponsors, Nutritious, Urban Farms Africa, Crystal Gemstays, and everyone who's come on board and sponsored this. Thank you so much, and we will see you at the next one. Thank you for all your support.
Thank you.